Welcome to our tour of an executive room in the Leonardo Hotel in Southampton. The room is modern and nicely decorated, and it's a pretty good size. We really like the little pops of colour. The room is definitely bright and airy. There's a small bedside table either side of the bed, which is useful. As well as a king-size bed, you have a small armchair and coffee table. Tea, coffee and biscuits are provided at the desk, which is a really nice touch. Below the TV is a safe, as well as a mini fridge. The drinks and snacks inside are complimentary in this room. We found the bed to be really comfortable, and the room was really quiet. We had a very good night's sleep here. There's a limited amount of storage, but there is plenty of hanging space. There's also an ironing board available. The bathroom is also a good size and looks like it's been refurbished. There is a shower over the bath, which wouldn't be our preference. Hand wash is provided by the sink, along with a shower cap, some body lotion and some conditioner. Shower gel and shampoo are also provided by the bath. Storage is limited in the bathroom, but there is a small amount of shelving space. It's a good bathroom overall. Downstairs you'll find a restaurant and a bar. There are also drinks and snacks available to purchase from a fridge opposite the reception. The bar has a really nice relaxed feel about it. Two menus were available. One is the standard menu with a great selection of dishes, as well as a specials menu, which was a Mediterranean menu during our stay. We tried the meze platter, which was great. Breakfast is available in the hotel, and we thought it was very good. Overall, we really enjoyed our stay here. The room is comfortable and quiet, and the hotel staff were very friendly. The food that we had here was great too. Thanks for watching our video. Let us know what you think of the hotel in the comments. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for free. Thanks for watching.